How to change your status on Discord. Discord is a popular communication platform designed for creating communities, hosting discussions, and facilitating various forms of online interaction. We will show you how to change your status on this application quick and easy. To begin, open the Discord app on your phone. Click on the profile icon in the bottom right corner. Among the options provided, select the Set Status option. On Discord, you can choose from different statuses to let other users know if you are available or not. Online status: when you are active on Discord and want other users to know that you are available for messages and calls. Online status: that will show your friends a green circle next to your profile picture when you are online. Another option is the idle status, which indicates that the user is not active or has not been active on the platform for a certain period. This is usually displayed next to the username or in the member list on servers. The Do Not Disturb option allows you to set your status to let other users know that you do not want to be disturbed or receive notifications during that time. This is useful if you want to be present on Discord but do not want to be constantly notified about new messages or calls. Finally, there is the invisible status, which you use when you want to be present on Discord but invisible to other users. When you set your status to invisible, other users will see that you are not available, but they will not see any other specific status like online or idle. We have just set that status by clicking on the invisible option. And that's it. We hope this tutorial will be useful to you. Subscribe to our channel to stay up to date with the latest news.